was gone back to the south. Probably broke containment at that point.
Steve.
Oh, geez, I'm pretty confident he's not on Moore's side either. The only thing we're seeing there is that campfire. He's going towards Butterfield direction to his residence. Well, this construction dumps up that lake bridge in Colo, and this concrete we're on right now goes all the way through that. If he hit that, he was gone. Okay. I mean, that's a paycheck. He's not out here. We don't see anything. Like I said, that bike will be low, especially if he's been running from y'all. And I don't see it. I don't see anybody on foot. I'm picking out those campers or homerows or whatever it is, and that fire really is either by the fire, some wildlife and stuff like that in here, but that bike is not here.
It's 2 copters, bro. 2 police helicopters looking for somebody.
10-4.
Cops. I got the scatter here.
224, 20 minutes.
2 right there. There's 2 of them.
10-4, keep going.
He's coming around.
Have you seen the light yet?
He's in clear.
Cool.
It's clear. The heat. Keep the shit.
You know where you're going? Google Maps is telling me where to go.
They're going. They're looking for somebody. Here they come.
Here in the neighborhood?
All units, south channel is now clear. All units, south channel is now clear.
The cop, they lost him on foot.
I want to 20 feet to chase him eastbound. It helps us a lot.
Here he comes.
That is a helicopter, bro.
I'll see what I can do.
That was a plane. Coming around here's a helicopter. Coming over our house.
I wonder what went down.
Look.
10th Apartment 108. PD's on scene with a female requesting medics. We're still getting further. 71 and inch 1 at 1134.
The video stuff there.
What?
Can't see shit in it. I'm using that way the light one, I guess I'm using that flare. It just shows like the heat, whatever.
What they say when that happened?
Somebody on a motorcycle. That's how I caught it,
He's on foot already?
someone in trouble.
Yeah, motherfucker running down the street.
Maybe somebody we know. So now they got, what is that? That's a nice one. It's about airplane and shit. I guess they gave up. But they switched to the channel.
222, 241.
Can't got that far. He gave up.
You think he gave up?
Cyber alarm at the Auto Pound 3010 Hard Rock. Rear pedestrian gate.
That little plane just circling around.
You know what, bro? I wouldn't doubt it. We're sitting in the airport over here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That little plane's just circling.
What could they do on the plane? I guess just alert them. Drop a little water bomb on them.
I mean, I guess they can.
Yeah. No, that's a one. No, that's a big ass plane.
Oh, yeah.
A bomber.
That's a belief.
Here's the damn fucking choppers up in my window. I'm like, holy fuck. Really? So I was like, man, this is
1800 Egyptian with Boy David Frank, 6392.
That's him already? We got him? David Frank?
This one there. They switched the helicopter service. They must have found them, or they didn't say they found them.
Don't take care.
Okay, hearing that show. There's not. You hear the cops outside?
220 dispatch.
I can hear it like you sounded close.
Go ahead,
Man, you going away. I said, that's cops.
Some copy, APS truck about being damaged with.
Here he comes. Here comes the cop car. What y'all doing?
25 to 260.
Must be a bald Mexican.
Good.
Should be Rudy.
She's going to be 10-4. Never forced entry on the door. She opened it up before I had to kick it in.
I heard something about door kicked in. They're about to kick in the door.
2-4 service.
Here comes.
Engine 1 and out.
Here comes a fucking car. We'll find out.
And out.
220 clear.
Neighbors. No,
Probably don't even have no sirens going on right now.
3320,
You're
you
trying to
come
be
to
sneaky
Matthew
on
and Butterfield.
Butterfield something.
Oh, it's over there.
Okay.
There's a chopper here somewhere. Or say all kinds of shit. No dead ring.
25, she's going to be about 20 years old, conscious and breathing. 25, receive. 22 to 41, you're clear. Dispatcher, speak.
What, a cop on it? Gone. Here, they must have just,
And they get up there quick, too. Where did he come from?
there was two when I came out here at first.
Really?
And I don't know if one was I didn't even know that GP had a helicopter. There was two of them.
Maybe they come from Dallas or something.
Probably get that Air One to help them. Back when that little kid was missing.
Yep.
71's on.
71 on 2.
No, it's over there.
Oh, he's over there on the backside of the neighborhood.
That's it, right?
Could be. Maybe. Yeah, he's over there. Puta. I thought I was gonna get some cops action, man. I thought I was gonna get some cops action chasing down the street or something. Ain't nothing happening.